Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to run Google TV 16 on your Windows laptop or PC. It works like a regular app, so there's no system tweaking or risky changes. Just open it and you get the full Google TV experience on your screen. You can sign in, install apps, stream your shows and test things out. It's quick to set up, safe to use, and I'll walk you through the whole process. Before we start, like the video and subscribe. Let's jump in. First, we have to download Android Studio. Open your browser and search for Android Studio. Click the official link from Google. This is official website of Android Studio. Hit the download button. Now scroll down. Accept the terms and again click download. The setup file will start downloading. It's around 1 GB, so wait until it completes. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Now open Setup file to start installation. Android Studio Setup will open. Click Next. Click Next again. Now this is the location where it will get installed. You can change it if you want. Click Next. Here, click Finish. Now installation has started. Wait until it completes. When it's done, click Finish. Android Studio will open automatically in few seconds. When this message appears, click Don't Send. Studio Welcome screen will appear. Click Next. Choose Installation Type as Standard. Click Next. Now we will need some more components, which we'll saved here. Click Next. Accept the agreements and click Next again. Now it has started downloading required components, so wait until it finishes. Android Studio Welcome screen will appear. To create Android TV, click More Actions and select Virtual Device Manager. Here, click the plus icon to create a new virtual device. You'll see options for phones, tablets and TVs. If you see this error, then simply download missing files and it will fixed. Now click on TV option. Select a 1080p Google TV profile. Now we need the system image to run Google TV. You will see both Android TV and Google TV system images. As we need Google TV, so we will talk with second one. Click the download icon beside the Google TV build. Now it will start downloading the ISO. Wait for it to finish. Finally, click Finish. Choose this image we downloaded and click Finish again. Your Google TV virtual device is now ready. Press Start next to your new device. It will load just like a real Google TV. The first boot may take some time, so be patient. When the setup screen pops up, just follow the prompts. Sign in with your Google account and you're ready to go. Now you've got Google TV running on Windows, complete with app streaming and Google Assistant right on your PC. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments.